Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your POCO M6 Pro. So the first step is open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery, like this photo for example. Now click on the import icon. Then you can choose the you can choose the shape for your photo. If you already click on the arrow icon, now choose the filter for a photo to make it more visible, and if you already click on the accept, choose the country from the list and type the number in this place. To send the message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.